one here, Makita. Replacing this, I'm going to show you how. So first we're going to remove the screws, we're going to remove the handle. Careful with this, otherwise this is going to fall apart. This is the reason why it's all loose. So make sure to clean up the space where you're going to be working at. Just make sure to clean up the area where you're going to get the other latch installed. Get rid of these metal brushes. It's going to be very helpful. So we're going to remove this is like the hook, part of the latch that catches the spring side. We're going to remove it. We're going to install, even though this part is in good shape, we're going to remove all and we're going to replace all the latch. It comes with the two parts. Just remember, this is a power tool, so you can break one of these screws, so don't push too much power on it. So this is the old one, this is the new one. This is polish and this is chrome. The grease and the stains, they don't stick too much to the chrome. So I think this one looks better on this unit, like this. So this door, it was not closing all the way. To adjust this door closer here, and now it's going all the way. Before it was just staying to this point and it was not closing, so you have to adjust the arm. It has this 2 little screws on this side, so you have to just adjust it first clockwise, opposite clockwise, so it's going to give some more strength to the arm.